When connected to an Osmo action camera, the handle can extend the operating time for the camera. The side of the handle features the power button, while the front has the quick switch button, C button, and shutter record button. The back features the USB-C charging port, 3.5mm TRS microphone input port, and the USB-C connector with a coiled cable. There are 2 1/4-inch thread holes, one on the bottom of the handle and one on the left, allowing users to mount different accessories. Press the release button on the USB-C port cover of the camera and slide it downward. Remove the USB-C port cover. Attach the charging port protector. Press down until the clips of the magnetic ball joint quick release adapter mount are firmly inserted into the quick release slots on the camera. Connect the USB-C connector of the handle to the USB-C port of the camera. Press and hold the power button to power on the handle. After the handle is powered on, the camera will be charged automatically. The camera will indicate that it is being charged. When a handle is connected to the camera, the quick switch button and the shutter record button on the handle have the same functions with those on the camera. Press and hold the quick switch button to power on or off the handle, and press once to power on the camera or switch between shooting modes. Press the shutter record button once to take a photo or to start or stop recording. When the camera is in sleep mode, press once to start snapshot. Press the C button to switch between the front and back touchscreen when using single screen preview. Open the protective cover on the back of the handle. It is recommended to use the DJI 65-watt USB-C charger to charge the handle via the USB-C port. The status LEDs will flash and display the battery level during the charging process. Once the battery is fully charged, all the status LEDs will turn on. The 3.5mm TRS microphone input port on the back of the handle supports connecting to a 3.5mm 3-stage microphone. Make sure that the handle has power when connecting to a microphone. Connect the handle to the camera to update the firmware. When new firmware is available, the handle will automatically update to the latest version after the camera is powered on. During the updating process, all the status LEDs will flash quickly. Do not unplug the handle from the camera during the updating process. A prompt appears on the camera when the update is successful.